This is the 2026 Audi A6. And while everyone's talking about its tech and luxury, I'm going to show you the number no one wants you to see. Because right now, you're either thinking about buying one, or you're wondering if it's worth the hype. And I'm not here to read you a spec sheet. I'm going to break down the real cost, the price after the paint fades, after the warranty expires, after the first repair bill hits. Let's start with the showroom number, around $65,000. But that's just where the story begins. Because in year 3, the maintenance kicks in, the digital dashboard. If it glitches, that's a $2,000 fix. The adaptive air suspension, a known weak point, and a $3,500 replacement. The panoramic sunroof, when it starts to rattle, that's another grand. And that's if nothing major breaks. So, let's do the real math. Sticker price, $65,000. 3 years of premium maintenance, $7,000. Potential out-of-warranty repairs, $5,000 to $10,000. Real 5-year cost, over $80,000. Now, compare that to a Lexus ES or a Genesis G80, where the cost of ownership is nearly 30% lower. So, is the Audi A6 a bad car? No, it's beautiful. It's high-tech. It drives like a dream. But is it a smart financial choice? Only if you lease it or sell it before the warranty ends. For everyone else, you're not just buying a luxury sedan. You're buying a luxury built. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, where we cut through the hype and talk numbers, subscribe now, because next week, I'm exposing the hidden features, tech, and pricing of another luxurious model, and you won't believe what I found.